Hey guys, this is Ken from RecPro. Today we're going to be replacing an outdoor shower. This project should only take you about 5 minutes or so. So the tools that you'll need today are a drill or an impact with an adapter bit for your screws. You'll also need a plastic scraper. You can use a metal one, but be mindful of damaging your paint or your vinyl of your RV. You'll also need some silicone and a caulk gun depending on the silicone that you are using. This is a pretty easy replacement. Let's get right into it. At this point, it is recommended to make sure the water pump is off. Once you locate your outside shower, you'll need to open it up and locate all the screws that are holding it in place. To remove these screws, you can use an impact or a drill. Now that the screws are removed, you might have to scrape around the box to break the seal loose. Then once this is done, the whole box should pull straight out. At this point, you'll need to disconnect the hot and cold piping. Please keep in mind, our shower box is upside down, so we will be swapping the two piping when installing the new shower box. Now that the shower box is out of the way, you'll need to use your plastic scraper to remove any excess silicone, vinyl tape, or weatherproofing. Now that has been removed, you'll need to apply silicone to this. You'll need to use a reasonable amount to make sure it is weather tight. Now we're going to reconnect our hot and our cold fixtures. For us, it is easier to reconnect the hot and cold pipes from the outside than it is the inside. And this would be the appropriate time for us to do so. Now that they're reconnected, you're going to need to push the box back into its opening. We had to angle ours up so it would fit easier and smoother. Now you'll need to screw it back in. Make sure you apply enough pressure that the silicone spreads enough and makes it weatherproof. At this moment in time, we suggest turning on your water pump and test for leaks. After you're done testing for leaks, your replacement's all done. As you can see, this was a pretty easy replacement. If you want to know more about the product, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.